Pichu? Pichu? Pichu!
Pichu?
Pichu! Pichu, we gotta hurry up. There's a tornado coming. We're not gonna be safe here, okay? We gotta find a place to stay calm.
Pichu, 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 Pichu.
Look. No, I know there's no tornado around here, but I promise there is gonna be a tornado.
Pichu, 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 Pichu.
But Pichu, we're gonna be in danger, okay? The tornado is gonna come and eat us. They're gonna eat us!
Pichu, Pichu, Pichu.
But Pichu, you gotta wake up. Wake up! A tornado is coming. It's gonna be here any minute.
Pichu, Pichu.
No, Pichu, look outside.
Pichu.
Pichu, look outside.
Pichu.
See that? See that? That's a tornado.
Pichu. Pichu. Pichu.
I know, Pichu. But the tornado is gonna come.
Pichu. Pichu. Pichu.
I don't know where we're gonna go, Pichu. But we're gonna die.
Pichu. Pichu.
I'm sorry, Pichu. We can't. No! Stop it, Pichu! No!
We can't die!
No! The tornado hit the entire village. Pichu, are you okay?
Pichu.
That was a disaster. We're never gonna do that ever again.
Pichu, Pichu, Pichu.